Hey, what's up guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video let's take a look at Tesla, Nvidia, AMD, ARM, Micron, and Intel. As for SMCI, I did one video in the morning and I'll be doing another video later today because the price action has updated or has reacted to the very filing updates that we were expecting, but more about that on SMCI I'll talk later in a separate video today as well again. All right. Let's start out with Tesla first. So in this video, but before that I also want to let you know, none of this is any financial advice, only for education purposes, just sharing my opinion. Please do your own thing. All right, Tesla. Well, as I said, we are heading down to 275. We are very close to that. That's where I expect a strong price reaction. That's where I would, again, I'm not going to pick up blindly, but 275 is an interesting area for me to watch the price action over there. And overall structure, guys, still continues to remain bearish for us. Nothing has really changed on that for Tesla, right? Now, taking a look at the hourly interval, we have been multi-day, intraday, however you want to call it. We've been bearish today for any strength. I've mentioned that if we can get above 334, some strength can build up, and then good one will be above 341 and 24 cents. None of that happened. We rejected just underneath of that level of 334, and when we lost the significant level, well, it was just like floodgates opened, guys. There was no coming back, no coming back. You can see on the 5 minutes interval like a complete collapse. It's a brutal collapse. Kaboom, right? If you need access to my tools, check out the details in the description of this video. Below the cloud stayed red, and it just was a whole red day. I mean, it just, yeah, I mean, a little bit of a stabilization that happened at the end of the day, that's just that, but it doesn't really bring any bullishness on the stock price, right? And 4 hours interval as well is just being bearish. As I said, just you can use the tools across all the intervals, and if I turn it on the 4 hours interval as well, we remained bearish thereafter. That was the little bit of a rebound area. And then thereafter, we have been again just continuing negative, even on the direction wise with the 4 hours. So everything like daily, 4 hours, weekly on Tesla, everything has been bearish. And well, where would the strength will build up here? Well, okay, so here's the thing, right? 275 around is where I'm watching. So I'm watching, right? Because I want to see a price reaction turn around. But anyways, if any rebound has to happen tomorrow, well, there's a possibility above 309 some rebound intraday, but that'll just be a rebound, guys. Anything below, as we stay below 326, that's not going to change overall structure. Overall structure on Tesla will still remain bearish, and as if we continues to lose lower and lower, 275 is the direction technically we are still in. So that's Tesla. All right, tomorrow we have Nvidia's earnings. Now I want to provide you the scenarios, what are the possibility through the earnings as well. But lately, Nvidia has been in the downtrend. It's in the, it's this pretty much where the last line of defense that I mentioned, 127 to 126, pretty much a little bit trying to find a bounce there at 200 days moving average. And now it all comes down to the earnings, okay? Multi-day, intraday, it's been negative still. And today also, we rejected just a significant level above and we slowed down. What can really turn it around bullish on Nvidia, right? Like it's already at the last line of defense. Now tomorrow we have earnings. It all comes down to now earnings, and no one knows what's going to happen to the earnings. But if Nvidia gaps down, it's already negative. It's just going to break itself up and it's just going to continue lower. Then there's no coming back then if Nvidia gaps down. The only thing that can save Nvidia is the earnings tomorrow. If Nvidia can gap up after earnings above 133 and 85 cents, it will start to look better again. It will start to look bullish again. That's all you need to know about Nvidia. Before earnings though, we are still weak. Any significant level above is still a zone of resistance. If any even intraday strength has to come, let's get to the hourly interval. We'll need to see it get above 129 and 51 cents. Then before only until earning some strength is possible. But for that structure change, intraday will be above 129 and 54 cents. At this point, though, my suggestion will be let the earnings happen. But yeah, multi-day, direction on Nvidia remains to the downside. And overall structure is also turning really negative. And now it all comes down to the earnings tomorrow. AMD, poor thing, keep breaking itself. The next area is, guys, $99 area. Let me adjust something on my tools because we are heading in that zone. So we need to have some more levels in play. And yeah, here we go. So yeah, I can see 94.99 areas just around that blue box. We'll see what the price action does there, but it's been bearish. It's still bearish. Intraday also is negative. It lost another level today, 106 and 43 cents. And going on the hourly interval, that pretty much becomes significant level. Above becomes just another resistance zone. So structure is just negative on this, guys. It's just selling off. Yeah. And this is a strong resistance now, 106 and 47 cents. Unless you're not getting above it, there's still going to be weakness on this thing. So SMC, as I said, I'll talk about it later today. I will talk price action there on that one. ARM continues to be in the downtrend. Nothing has really changed on this. Structure is bearish. Daily interval, hourly interval, we are bearish. And ARM, I will move it to 50 plus stocks coverage for the with the members only that I do. And also, you can, if you need access to these, check out the details in the description of this video together with the trading tools. All the details are in the description of this video. But ARM continues to stay in the downtrend. Nothing to see here on the bullish side. 142 and 25 cents right now is a, even a resistance. If any rebound has to come, until then it will be just a resistance, or sorry, rebound only until 142. There won't be much change. We'll have to see a pattern form here first. There is no pattern right now. We're just in the downtrend. Any rebound will be a rebound for now. Price is still in the downtrend. Okay. Micron will also move to 50 plus stocks coverage only for the members in that category. So, but anyways, it's lost a lot of structure, guys, and losing that blue box above. It was already getting weak multi-day, 101 and 89 cents, and intraday multi-day it has remained negative for us. Lower highs, lower lows constantly. Nothing to see here on this thing right now. It's still in the negative structure. If any uptrend again has to form on this, we'll have to get above the blue box of 96, 97. So multi-day is still continuing lower, and we are still negative on this thing. Intel will also just stay with the 50 plus stocks coverage members only. And in this video, what I want to talk about here is that we never got above that zone of $25 where strength would build up again on this thing. We stayed below it. It was then just a short continuation play, and we just continued lower. Definitely it has lost that momentum that we were in right when we pretty much weakness started to come around $25, and yeah, we're still negative. Tomorrow, well, anything below 23 and 81 cents is just negative on Intel. Still is just going to still stay in the downward structure. So yeah, it's just negative right now. There is no uptrend. It's in the downtrend. All right, so Intel has done its run. I guess that's pretty much what it is. All right, that's all I had for you guys in this video. Hope you found it helpful, valuable. If you did, please like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next videos. Take care. Bye.